Otter turns your voice into a searchable, shareable transcript in real time, right on your iPhone. Here's how to get started and make the most of it. First, open the App Store, search for Otter AI, and install it. Sign up with your email, Google, or Apple account to get into your workspace. Once you're in, you'll see options to automatically share meeting notes with calendar guests or enable automatic recording. You can set these up now or skip them for later. Make sure to allow the app permissions to access your microphone and track activity if prompted. If a subscription page appears, simply hit the X in the top left corner to head to the home screen. You'll see three main tabs: Conversations, Calendar, and Action Items. In the Calendar tab, tap Connect next to Google Calendar or Microsoft Outlook. Follow the prompts to choose your account, allow access, and sync your schedule. Once finished, tap OK and enable notifications so Otter can remind you to record upcoming meetings. When you're ready to record, tap the big blue microphone button at the bottom. Give it permission to use your mic and then just start talking. The transcript appears word for word in real time as you speak. When you're done, tap Stop and the conversation is automatically saved to your Conversations tab. Tap the conversation to open it. You'll see the full transcript where you can hold down any word to highlight it or add a comment. You can also play back the audio, and the transcript will highlight in sync so you can follow along word for word. For a deeper dive, go to the Otter AI chat tab within that conversation. You can ask Otter anything about the recording. Just type your question and hit send. Ask for a summary, a list of decisions, or even who said what. Otter pulls the answers straight from the transcript and can even link you back to the exact moment the information was mentioned. When you're ready to share, tap the share icon inside the conversation. If prompted about your email being hidden, just click Share Anyway. You can invite people via email, set their permissions, or simply copy the link to send it in a message. That's Otter AI on iPhone. Tap Record, Speak, and walk away with a live transcript you can search, highlight, and share in seconds. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.